You don't need 30 days to change your life. You don't need a year-long plan. You don't even need motivation. You need one day, one single, aggressive, no bullshit day where you stop planning and start deciding. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do with that day. Step by step, no fluff. Here's what nobody tells you about self-improvement. Planning feels like progress. It isn't. Have you ever spent a whole Sunday writing out a schedule, organizing your notes app, buying a journal, and felt like you actually accomplished something? Yeah, that's the trap. Your brain doesn't know the difference between planning to change and actually changing. Both release dopamine. Both make you feel good, but only one of them moves the needle. That's why you've watched 50 self-improvement videos and you're still in the same spot. Not because the information was bad, because watching felt like doing. Your brain checked the box. I learned something today. No, you didn't. You consumed. There's a difference. So let me ask you something, and I need you to be honest. When was the last time you did something? Not planned it, not saved it for later, not added it to a list, but actually did something hard that moved your life forward. If you can't remember, that's exactly why you need this video. Because today, I'm giving you the blueprint for what I call Day Zero. The one day that separates who you were from who you're about to become. 5 moves, 1 day. No excuses. Let's go. Move number 1, the purge. This is where it starts. Open your phone right now. Delete every app that's stealing your time. TikTok, Instagram, Netflix, that game you play on the toilet. Gone. Then go to your kitchen. Every bag of chips, every pack of cookies, every energy drink that's not water or black coffee. Throw it out. Not tomorrow. Right now. Then, your room. If it looks like a bomb went off in there, clean it. Make your bed. Organize your desk. Throw away the trash. Your environment is a mirror of your mind. If your space is chaos, your thoughts are chaos. This isn't about being a neat freak. This is about sending a signal to your brain. Something is different now. Move number 2, the contract. Grab a piece of paper, not your phone, paper, and write down 3 things, 3 non-negotiables for the next 90 days. Not 10, not 20, 3. Maybe it's, I train every single day. I don't watch porn. I do 90 minutes of deep work before I touch my phone. Whatever yours are, write them down. Then, sign it, like a contract. Because that's what it is, a contract with yourself. Then send a photo of that contract to 3 people. Your boy, your brother, your mom, I don't care who. The point is, you've made it real. You've made quitting public. And nothing keeps a man honest like the fear of looking like a fraud in front of people he respects. Now, moves 3 through 5 are where this gets serious. These are the ones that separate the guys who actually change from the ones who just cleaned their room and felt good about it for a week. Move number 3, the first rep. Whatever the hardest thing on your list is, you do it today. Not tomorrow morning, today. If you said you'd start training, get to the gym before this day is over. If you said deep work, sit down for 90 minutes with your phone in another room and do the work. If you said cold showers, turn that knob right now and stand in it for 2 minutes. Why today? Because your brain is watching. It's keeping score. And every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, your subconscious files that under things we lie about. Do it today, and you file it under we're actually serious this time. Move number 4, the schedule lock. Sit down and build your daily schedule, hour by hour, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. And I mean everything. When you train, when you eat, when you work, when you read, when you sleep. Lock it in. Set every alarm. Here's why this matters. Decision fatigue is real. Every time you have to think, what should I do now? That's energy you're wasting. A schedule removes the question. You don't think. You execute. The most disciplined people on the planet, Navy SEALs, surgeons, elite athletes, they don't wing their days. They have systems. And now, so do you. Move number 5. The burn, the boats move. This is the one that makes it stick. Put something on the line. Real consequences. Give a friend $200 and tell him, if I skip a single day in the next 30 days, keep it. Post your commitment publicly. Join a community where people will hold you accountable. Why? Because your brain avoids pain more than it chases pleasure. It's not my opinion. That's neuroscience. If quitting costs you nothing, you'll quit. If quitting costs you money, reputation, or respect, you won't. Make it so that the old version of you has nowhere to retreat to. Listen, I'm going to tell you something that might change how you see this entire video. Fixing your life was never about the 30 days. It was never about the routine, the cold showers, the gym, the schedule. It was about the day you decided you were done. Every single person who's ever turned their life around, every one of them has a day zero, a day where something clicked, where they looked in the mirror and said, I'm done living like this. That's not a 30-day process. That's a moment. That's a decision. And that decision, it doesn't need the perfect morning. It doesn't need a clean room or a new journal or a Monday. It needs you, right now, choosing to stop being the person who watches videos about changing and start being the person who actually changes. This video right here, this is your day zero. If you let it be. If this video hit you in the chest, good. That means something inside you is ready. If you want to level up in life, and I mean really level up, show some love. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment telling me what your 3 non-negotiables are. I read every single one. And if you want to know what to do after day zero, how to build the discipline to keep going when the motivation fades, watch this video right here. It'll change how you think about consistency forever. I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself yet. That's what this channel is for. See you on the other side.